Here is the regional forecast summary. Skies will be cloudy again today with some light.
This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of impending hazards. This test is conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., but may be postponed if there's a threat of severe weather. In any case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with the distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you're using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio.